Communities for Work Plus offers support for all residents in RCT who are looking to get into employment, training or volunteering. C4W Plus is available across the whole of RCT and is split into 4 delivery areas. Rhondda North covers the Rhondda Fawr and Mid-Rhondda areas, including Treala. Rhondda South covers the Rhondda Fach, Porth, Tonrefel and Gilvercoch. Cynon covers the Cynon Valley, Glencoch and Anisabul. Taff covers the Rydfelin, Hawthorne, Pontypridd, Church Village and Llantrisant areas. Each delivery area has its own community office and team who deliver the programme. There are 3 main pillars to our work: one-to-one support, regular activities and local activities.
We have highly skilled staff who are trained to support individuals on a one-to-one basis. Our one-to-one support programme is called Mentoring for Change. We have mentors who are trained to support individuals to make positive changes, be it to get more active, access activities and training opportunities, gain qualifications, start volunteering, and find work. Our mentors work with people for up to 8 sessions on days and times to suit the individual. As a result, people often find themselves in a better place by the end of the programme.
To help us to engage with people in our communities, local teams deliver a number of activities all across Rhondda, Cynon and Taff. These vary from area to area, but often include things like coffee mornings, community-based work clubs, support groups and training courses. Alongside these activities, a number of our projects run all throughout the year, including our Digital Friday sessions, which currently run between 10 and 12 every Friday. At the moment, these sessions are running virtually due to COVID restrictions, but still provide the opportunity for people to improve their ICT skills and maintain the Universal Credit account. Another of our projects is our leisure project run in partnership with RCT Leisure Services. This is open to all those enrolled on our Mentoring for Change programme and allows people to access gym membership and personal training as part of their journey. To support people's mental health, we support Valley Steps, who offer a rolling programme all across RCT of stress control and mindfulness courses. These sessions are available for people to drop into and are run in local community buildings. Our Adult Education Training programme offers a wide variety of training opportunities for people to access. These range from basic maths and English through to accredited training linked to employers with guaranteed interview at the end of the course.
In-work support helps people that are already employed access advice to increase their hours, upskill or sustain employment. Communities for Work Plus in-work support is not a funding scheme to completely retrain, but our service can provide one-to-one coaching and offer guidance to help you fulfill your potential and feel better equipped to progress your career. For example, we can help if you are unable to access training opportunities without additional support, if your skills do not match with the current job or industry requirements, if you are working in a declining industry or occupational sector, we will encourage you to take up additional learning activities to help you progress your career, many of which can be accessed at home.
Our community-based work clubs are open to all wherever you live. Work clubs provide free support for anyone looking for work. This includes completing successful job searches, developing or updating your CV, completing application forms, registering with job sites, training advice, interview techniques, finding the job requirements and maintaining your Universal Credit account. We're also here to support any other employability skills needs. Providers in your communities are the Fern Partnership, Gilvercoch Community Association, Glencoch Community Regeneration Limited, Hirwan YMCA and Your Future Training.
I run the Employment Roots programme, which is a sector-specific training programme linked to employment opportunities and in most cases guaranteed interviews. We cover a majority of sectors which include civil, plant and construction, rail, hospitality and catering, care in both residential and domiciliary, warehouse, manufacturing, telesales, customer service and leisure, and have employment links in all these areas. However, we also offer ad hoc training in all other areas as and when needed.